Alright guys, check this out. I picked up these organic millet brown rice ramen noodles. Gluten-free, vegan. Check this out. This was cool. This was at local grocery store. And here's the ingredients. If you can look here, organic brown rice flour and organic millet. So these are really heavy too, by the way. So I'm gonna cook them up. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. But I'm gonna cook it up and do a quick taste test review. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Okay, just to let you guys know, this is what it looks like when you open it. Look how heavy these are and how dense they are. Actually kind of neat. Okay, so I'm gonna cook them up and I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, so here is the ramen noodles all cooked up. I put some chicken in there. And let me do a quick taste test for you guys. It's actually pretty decent. You wouldn't notice it was organic millet. It actually is really good, guys. You're gonna have to flavor it with something, but texture-wise, it's actually pretty good. It's like a rice noodle, nice dense texture. It's actually good. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel, and it has this sort of al dente, chewy texture to it. So, all right, stay tuned for more videos, guys.